everyone, this is Kevin from Tianjin HOYITE. Let us visit our factory now. Here is our warehouse. This is the crimping machine's hand. Okay, this way please, let us look at our 4-inch crimping machine. This is a 4-inch crimping machine. Its crimping range is 6 millimeter to 102 millimeter. 看这儿。Open the mode, close mode, power, pressure. Here. When you receive the crimping machine, you should add the hydraulic oil in the machine. You look at here. When the hydraulic oil at here is better. Here. 这边，看完了吗？在这边，你看我的手，这样。We add the hydraulic oil and add here. Here. This is motor. This is the hydraulic machine's motor. This tube, when the machine has more oil, it will